How to send fake alert into any bank account in any country.
Hello guys, in this video I'm going to share with you how you can use Flashfunds in sending fake alert. Like you already know, Flashfunds has no other function than sending fake alert to just about 20 countries around the world, among which Nigeria is included. I'm going to share you just the few settings you need to do, because for a while some guys has been chatting me like I do get fund pounded, fund D, fund not credited and all those kind of stuff, but most of these times this as a result of the settings you make before carrying out your transactions. So I'm going to share with you the first things you need to do, the first settings you need to do before you carry out any transaction using Flashfunds. So the first thing, having downloaded the app, is launch the app. Okay, the app has just opened now, and you can see the version 10.5, which is the most recent Flashfunds version as of now, and it is effective and very efficient. So the first thing to do is to click on your data settings. Here you want to set where you want to receive your debit alerts, because having sent the fake alert to your client will be credited, and you yourself, you will want to get the debit alert so you can show them as a proof of payment. So how would you want to get your debit alert? By email or by phone number? You can just select by email or by phone number, whichever way. I selected by email, then I put my email. Don't mind me, I'm using wrong details just for the purpose of this tutorial. Then in this alert format, just leave it as default. Then the account number. This account number simply means the details that will appear in the alert form. That is, when you send fake alert to your client, who is the person that sent this alert? This is what they are telling you to feed here. You can change these settings anytime you want to make a new transfer. Or let's assume I want my client to see John or Ref or Jeff or whatever name as the person who sent the money. So separate with comma code and enter account number, any 10-digit number. And save your settings. Okay, your settings can be saved successfully, and it will affect any transaction you make from now on. You can always change your settings to fit every new transfer. So you go back to your home by clicking on the Flashfunds logo. Then you click on change location. At least to keep your transaction anonymous in any new transaction you want to make. Now you can select any transaction here. You change your direction, then you save your settings. Now your location has been changed successfully. You remain anonymous on every new transaction. Kindly continue to the transfer page to get started. But before you go to the transfer page, there is still something we need to set. So far you've changed your location, your data settings, and now the next thing is click on Flash account. Now please select your country of transfer in order to continue with Flashfunds, bro. Which country did you want to send these funds to? We have about 20 countries here where you can send fake alato. So now I want to pay my agent in China or for whatever purpose or any country of your choice. I click on China, then just click on done. In this done box, just type done here. Good to go. You have just set up your transaction portal. All transfer must be based on your selected country. Any money flashed to a different record will not be affected. Continue to the flash page now. Now this is your flash page. Be sure you have set your location, which we have already done, and your country of transfer, which we have done before processing to this page. Continue with the flash work. If we are done with this, we are already done with this, so you just enter the amount you want to flash. Make sure you separate the amount with the comma code. Let's assume we want to send $2,000 because the currency are always in dollar. But remember, whenever they want to credit your clients, they credit them in their various local currencies. But the default app currency is in dollar. Then you enter the account number, then the bank name, the bank name, then the account name. Then, would you want your fund to be delivered immediately or you want them to be delayed? You just click on urgent or delayed. Then you initiate your transfer. Please hold while your transfer is processing. And sorry, the account details you entered could not match the selected bank. Please check the details and try again. Happy flashing, just like that. Because the account details I enter are not corresponding with the country I selected, so we cannot use a real account details. Like, this is just a demo video. If we should use a real account details, I understand the consequence of that, so we are not going to try using any real account details here for security reasons. But if you have used this flash form before in making transfer, you will see on your data history here your flashed history. When you click on your flash history, you will see the history. The last transaction you make, you will see them on your history. Like, I've used this app before in making many transfers, but the last transfer I've made in this month, you can see it here. I've successfully flashed $2,500 to Martins Oblins. That was April 10, and on April 7 I flashed $3,145. On April 4th, I also flashed $540, and I've also flashed $770 to John Ortega. That was on April 2nd, just like that. And if you continue with the history, you still see history of about 2 months go before. You can go to the next page, just like that. But if you have not made any transfer, your transaction history should be blank. I'm sure with this you should be able to use the flash fund. It's just as simple as what I've explained. The first thing, your data settings, you change your location, then you flash any amount you want to flash unlimited, and just like that. Thanks.